Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. Remember, the link for downloading this practice file in a AutoCAD format is provided in the description of this video. I would urge you to open that file, keep it in a separate window and practice along with me. So, as usual, before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this design and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best starting point would be to draw this in the front view. So, we'll first change the view to front view and we'll begin by drawing this inner circle of 24 dia followed by the outer circle with the same center point of 45 dia. Then we'll draw one line which would be of 90 units. Keep it anywhere on your drawing board and then we'll move it from the center point of this upward at a distance of 60 units. Then from the end of that line, we'll draw one line of 24 units and then we'll extend one line from here to a point tangential to the circle. Then we'll draw this circle which would be of 12 dia at the corner of these two lines and then move it 18 units to the left and 18 units downward as well. So it will come here. Then we'll select these two lines, the circle and this line, and mirror it to the opposite side. Then we'll fillet the corners with a radius of 10 units. So our front profile would be ready. Then we'll go in the isometric view and we'll begin by extruding these two circles and you can see the 80 from here end is 18 plus 12, that's units. So we'll extrude this at a distance of 30 units and then extrude this at a distance of 12 units inward. Now we are left with drawing this. So we'll draw one line from the midpoint of this and quadrantial to this circle. Then we'll move that line outward and then we'll draw one line from the end of this to a point which would be you can say the tracking point of this and then join it with this. Then join all the three lines, extrude it to a thickness of 8 units and move it to the center of this particular surface. Now we are left with the back portion over here. So what we'll do is we'll draw one line. So I'll just show you the back portion. This is the back portion. So what we'll do, we'll draw one line anywhere on the drawing board of 30 units and move it on this surface, center of it. Then we'll draw one line from that end point of this extending downwards and end point of this extending downwards. Then we'll extrude this surface and the circle at a distance of 5 units and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drafting. So we'll first change the view to front view. So I click over here and change the view to front view. Now in the front view, we'll begin by drawing the inner circle, this one of 24 dia. So anywhere in this, I select circle, center diameter and click over here, turn the ortho on and draw a circle of 24 dia. This is the innermost circle. Now we want to draw the outer circle which is of 45 dia. So again I select circle, center diameter, same center point, and the diameter is 45 and hit enter. Now I want to draw this upper line which is of 90 units. So I select line anywhere on your drawing board. I click and draw a line of 90 units. Press enter to come out of the line command. Now I want to move this line from the center upward at a distance of 60 units. So I will click on the line, click on this middle node, then press Ctrl and right mouse button, select from, click on the midpoint of this circle and upward and give the distance as 60 units and press enter. So you can see that the line is moved to a distance of 60 units from the center. Now we'll draw one line extending from here downward at a distance of 24 units. So I select line and draw one line from here extending downwards at a distance of 24 units. Then I'll turn the ortho off and I'll draw one line tangential to this circle. So I'll select tan and click over here. Then I press enter. Now we have to draw this circle which is of 12 dia. So I select circle, center diameter and I draw it over here and give the diameter as 12 units. Now I move this circle. So I select move. So I type move, click on the circle, press enter, then click on the base point, turn the ortho on and move it to the left at a distance of 18 units. Again we type move, click on the circle, press enter, click on the base point, move it downwards at a distance of 18 units and press enter. Now we select this line and this circle and we mirror it to the opposite side. So midpoint is this and press enter. Now we want to fillet the edges at a distance of 10 radius which is given here. So I type fillet R for radius and radius is 10 units. Click over here and click over here. Again I type fillet, click over here and click over here. So now our profile is ready. So we'll go into the isometric view. Now we have to press pull this at a distance of 18 plus 12, that is 30 units. So we select press pull, select this object and pull it outward to a distance of 30 units. Press escape to come out of press pull and change this to shaded with edges. Now we'll press pull this inward to a distance of 12 units and press enter. Then press escape to come out of the press pull command. Now we have to draw this middle triangle. So we'll select the line command and click on the midpoint of this line. Turn the ortho off and select quadrantial to this circle. Press enter. Now we move this line outward. So we select the line, press enter, turn the ortho on. From here we move it outward and press escape. Then we draw one line from here and make usage of the tracking point from here. You can turn the ortho off, take the tracking point from here and come down, click here and again click here. Press enter. Then use the join command and select all these objects and make it into one. Then press pull this to a thickness of 8 units and press enter. Then move this. So come out of the press pull, then press type move. Click on this entity. Click on the midpoint of this and midpoint of this. We no longer need this profile. Select it and press delete. So our front is ready. Now we'll go to the back. So we'll use the orbit tool and we'll see the back portion over here. I'll turn the grid lines off by pressing F7. Just come out of the orbit tool and then press F7 to to turn the grid lines off. And we'll first begin by drawing this line of 30 units. So we'll type line and draw one line, turn the ortho on of 30 units and press enter. Then press escape to come out of the line command and type move. Select the line, press enter. Click on the midpoint of this and on the midpoint of this. Now we'll draw one line. So we press escape. Then we type line from the end point of this extending downward of any length. Press enter. And another line from end point of this. You can type END so that you go to the end of that extending downward of any length and then press enter. Now we have to press pull it to a thickness of 5 units. So press pull, select this object and press pull it to a thickness of 5 units and this to a thickness of 5 units. Press enter and then press escape. Now we no longer need these lines. So we select this, delete. We select this, delete. And our geometry is now complete. So you can use the orbit tool and orbit it in all possible direction. Now we are left with only one command and that is the union command. So we type union and select all these objects and press enter. And now it has become one complete object. Then we press escape. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.